How to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome on laptop. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your laptop. Once the browser opens, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select Delete Browsing Data. You can also press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on your keyboard to open this page instantly. A new window will appear. Choose the time range based on how much data you want to remove. If you want to clear everything, select All Time. Next, make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are both checked. If you don't want to delete your browsing history, simply leave the Browsing History option unchecked. Now click the Delete Data button. Google Chrome will take a few moments to remove the selected cache and cookies. Once the process is complete, your browser will have cleared the cache and cookies, which can help fix loading issues, improve performance, and resolve some website problems. And that's it. That's how you can clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.